What's up, guys? So today we have this package right here. This is a cover to go on my license plate Focus, and hopefully we can get this on today. I don't know what tools you need, so hopefully I have them here, but you never know, so hopefully I do have them. But the company that sent it to me is called 510 Auto Group, and they are absolutely amazing. They sell a bunch of stuff that has to do with cars, not only the stealth plates, they call them. They sell the stealth plate in European and motorcycle sizes. They sell it for front and back, so you can get these for any type of car, any type of plate stuff. So I'll link the website in the description below, but they also are giving all of you guys a discount. Okay, so the screen thing is actually up inside there. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. Here's the remote. The remote. So I guess, yep, put it up, down, and everything. Very nice. Then we got, this is for inside the car, I do believe. And then here's everything else. Alright guys, so I just got done putting the wire in the cabin of the car, I guess you would say. Step in here and take a look. Got the controller in there, got the light in there, and then I got the wire coming out here. And I'll show you here what I did. And I'll show you guys what I did. So I still got this out. I need to fix this right here, probably tape it down or do something, but then it goes under the seat all the way up through here, and you can just see it right there, just a tiny bit, and then it goes back to the seat, and then I still need to do the trunk. So take a look. I have a bunch of stuff in the trunk, but as you can see, the wire is just right there. So I'll get that under the mat in the trunk, and then I'll pick back up with you guys. Alright guys, so I just got done with all the wiring on the inside. I stapled the wire down by your feet in the middle of the back seat, and now I just realized that there might be a problem with the license plate being on the trunk, and it actually goes up when I open the tailgate, so I might have to work around that. I don't know how good it will look after, but hopefully I can find a way to get around that, maybe with some zip ties and some staples. So I'll show you guys me putting on the plate, the stealth plate, and then hook. Alright guys, so I just got done tucking everything away, and turned out really well, I think. So I got the plate up here, right? I got just the wire running down here. And then comes down. And I stapled it so I can easily pull it out when I turn the lease back in, when I turn the car back in, I rather should say. And then I actually opened up, you can open up this plastic thing around the metal piece that springs open the trunk lid, and I opened it up and then stuffed the wire in the plastic casing so it hides it away. You can see it going in there, and then all the excess is actually right by the battery in the little battery compartment, and then I stapled it down through here, and then all the wire is under this little thing right there, as you guys can see. And I use a lot of staples over here. It may look a little bit tacky, but I wanted to really staple it down because I use the trunk a lot, so I'd rather it look a little bit worse than, you know, have one staple right there like in the corner, but then have it catching on stuff. So that's why I did that. Now I'll fire the car up and see if it works. Hopefully it does. It kind of sucks if it didn't. So seems to be working when I close the trunk. Not pulling up any of the wire in here. Nice force. So start it up. Alrighty, let's see. Where did I put the remote? Oh, great. That is sweet. That is awesome. Working perfectly. Just press the button. That is awesome. Alright guys, so the promo code is AutoVeloce. That is AutoVeloci, AutoVeloce. And that is good for $20 off on your purchases. So that is awesome. So go check them out. It's again 510 Auto Group. I'll link them in the description. But thanks guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely go check out their website. See ya.